In today's video, I will walk you through how to convert currencies on PayPal. First, go to paypal.com and sign into your account. After signing in, you will see your PayPal dashboard at the top of the screen. From there, click on Wallet. You can also click on the three dots and then select PayPal Balance, but using the Wallet option is easier to find and quicker to access. Once you open the Wallet section, you will be able to see your PayPal balance along with the different currencies connected to your account. Now, find your primary currency or any currency where you currently have money available. Make sure the currency you choose already has funds in it before moving forward with the conversion. For example, if you currently have money in US dollars, you can use that balance to convert into another currency. After finding the currency you want to convert from, click on the three dots next to that currency balance. A small menu will appear on your screen. In that menu, look for the option called Convert Currency and click on it to continue. After that, you will be taken to a screen where PayPal asks which currency you want to convert your balance into. Select the currency you want to receive from the available list. For example, you can convert US dollars into British pounds, Canadian dollars into Australian dollars, or other supported currencies available in your account. Once you choose the currency you want to convert to, click on Next. On the next screen, enter the amount of money you want to convert. For example, if you want to convert 5 US dollars, type the amount into the conversion field and continue. After entering the amount, click on Next again. PayPal will then display the conversion details on your screen. You will be able to see how much money you will receive in the new currency after the exchange is completed. Review the conversion amount shown on the screen. When everything looks correct, click on Convert Now to complete the currency conversion process. After that, PayPal will process the conversion, and the converted amount will appear in the selected currency balance inside your PayPal account. And that's it. That is how you convert currencies on PayPal quickly and easily. Thank you for watching.